In this video, I'm going to go over an error that you might have when you're setting up your pressures in the physics setup part of the video. You can see in this case, when I try to select these large tissue rings, it selects the outside of the ring, not the inside of the ring. And if you try and solve it like this, you'll get your deformation. It'll look like this, which is not right. Because in this case, it's applying that pressure to the outside of the cylinder, not the inside. So the tissue rings get sucked out. Now, that's not right. We don't want that. So I'm just going to go over how to fix that real quick. So look at pressure. We want to make sure that all our pressures are internal. So I'm going to start by creating a new coordinate system. So I go into coordinate systems, then right click on that, insert coordinate system. So I'm going to rename this and call it polar coordinates. From type, I'll change it from Cartesian to cylindrical. So then for define by, we'll define the origin by global coordinates and just leave those as zeros for now. Get a green check so that works out. They'll go back to pressure, and now we'll define by components. For our coordinate system, pick the polar coordinates, and then we'll just set. Since remember, if we look at this, we can see our z-axis is our is our lengthwise coordinate. Y is the azimuthal, and x is the radial coordinate. So we want our pressures to be pointing inward in the radial coordinates. So we're just going to put in minus 100 pascals for our x component of pressure. And then if we solve it that way, it'll work. So I'll just demonstrate that right now. Just solve this. And we see now it looks right. And you won't be able to get here right now, but you'll see later on this is what it should look like.